Day 3 Alliance Duel is relatively easy if we plan beforehand. Unlike Day 2, we can utilize Speedup to earn points, making the challenge much more manageable. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the Day 3 duel with a proper plan for you to gain over 2 million points effectively. Tasks. The first free-to-play task to earn points is consuming power cores. However, we don't recommend doing this on Day 3, as it becomes repetitive on Day 5. Day 5 is more challenging, so saving power cores for that day is better. Next, opening the hero equipment chest will also gain us points. It's best to save these chests and open them only on Day 3. Additionally, sending an S-tier escort will yield decent points. We should save the dark tickets and use them on Day 3 to obtain 4 S-tier or orange escort trucks. While we can spend rubies to refresh the trucks, we don't recommend this, as there are better ways to utilize rubies in Dark War Survival. If you're unable to acquire 4 orange trucks, don't worry. We can use troop training to earn the remaining points. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Training versus promoting. Besides the points from the Speedup, we can also gain points from the troop train. For example, training a level 10 troop will gain us 937 points. Meanwhile, training and promotion queue capacities are significantly different, even though their times are similar. For instance, we can queue 84 troops for training but 449 for promotion. Since the promotion queue is 5 times higher, some players might think promoting troops will yield significantly higher points than training. Let's find out. The points from promoting troops are listed as plus corresponding points, which sounds confusing. From our observation, the point for promoting a troop equals the point difference between the levels. For instance, if we promote a level 9 troop to 10, the point will be 937 minus 762, equal to 175. In comparison, 84 trained level 10 troops will yield 78,708 points, while 449 level 9 to 10 promoted troops will produce 78,575 points. The points are close, and it doesn't matter if you train or promote troops on Day 3. We have listed the promoting point for one level in the spreadsheet. You can use the multiple level promotion table to get the points if you're promoting more than one level. For example, you can enter 6 and 10 into these columns for level 6 to 10 promotions. The point will be reflected automatically in the last row. Day 3 Planning. Let's say we have 20 hero equipment chests, we will gain 166,000 points by opening them. 4 S-tier escorts will gain us 332,000 points. We need to gain about 1,500,000 points from the troop training or promotion in Speedup. Here's a helpful tip. We can queue our camps on Day 2 and collect the troops once Day 3 starts. By training level 10 troops, we will gain over 200,000 points for free. Next, we can use the training Speedup to get the rest of the points. Use the troops table to determine how many troops were produced with the given Speedup. But first, you need to input your queue time and capacity here. For our record, we can get 4,572 troops from promotion with 7 days of Speedup. Next, input the troops produced into the corresponding troop training or promotion column to determine the total points. According to this plan, we can reach the goal with 7 days of Speedup, 20 chests, and 4 orange escorts. Please note that this plan is based on what we have, and you may not follow the exact combinations. Fill in the items and find your required Speedup with the spreadsheet. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.